The Dreamer's Journey, an enchanting bedtime adventure. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let your imagination drift like a feather on the wind. Because tonight, we're setting off on an incredible journey. This isn't just any ordinary bedtime story, this is a grand adventure, where each tale is a doorway to the next. A mysterious key, a whispering ocean, an island that floats in the sky, and a starship made of light, these are just a few of the wonders waiting for you. You'll meet mermaids who hear secrets in the waves, foxes who throw magical feasts, and even a time-traveling guardian who holds the power of dreams. But there's one thing all these stories have in common: a single, magical key that connects them all. So snuggle into bed, let your mind wander, and get ready to dream big. Because once this journey begins, you won't want it to end. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. The key in the attic. Lena was just an ordinary girl until she discovered a golden key in her grandmother's attic. But this wasn't just any key. When the moonlight touched it, the key whispered, "Follow the stars." That night, Lena fell into a deep sleep and awoke in a land where lost keys held the power of forgotten dreams. 2. The fox who stole the moon. High in the mountains, a clever fox named Jasper was up to no good. He stole a piece of the moon to light his secret midnight feast. But the sky grew dark, and the stars began to fade. Realizing his mistake, Jasper set off on a thrilling journey to return the moonlight before the world turned to shadow. 3. The mermaid who heard secrets beneath the ocean waves. A young mermaid named Serena had a rare gift: she could hear the thoughts of the sea. One night, she heard a whispering voice trapped inside a sunken ship. Who could it be? As she followed the voice, she uncovered a secret that would change the entire underwater kingdom. 4. The time-traveling train. Leo had always been fascinated by history. But when he stepped onto an old train at an abandoned station, he never expected it to take him through time itself. From ancient Egypt to medieval castles, Leo saw it all. But when the train started glitching, he had to find his way back before he was lost in time forever. 5. The floating island of echoes. High above the clouds, a hidden island drifted in the sky, where every word spoken turned into music. Koa, an orphan boy, stumbled upon this magical place, discovering that his voice had the power to shape reality. But when a dark silence threatened to consume the island, Koa had to find a way to restore its song. 6. The star painter. Lena was no ordinary artist. She painted the night sky. Every evening, she dipped her brush into cosmic dust, filling the heavens with stars. But one night, she noticed a missing constellation. Where had it gone? She traveled across the galaxy, meeting playful space creatures and a lonely shooting star searching for a home. 7. The invisible jungle. Deep in the heart of a hidden rainforest, Tariq discovered something incredible. Every creature remained invisible until the first rays of sunlight revealed them. But when he found a golden fruit that granted a single wish, he had to decide: keep the treasure or save the magic of the jungle. 8. The sandcastle of memories. In a mysterious desert, sandcastles were not built, they grew from the earth, holding people's lost memories. Amira stumbled upon a castle with her own name carved into it. As she stepped inside, she saw memories she had never lived. Or had she? 9. The door of dreams. Every night, Alex found a door appearing in his bedroom. When he stepped through, he entered a world built from people's dreams. But when nightmares began to leak through, Alex had to summon all his courage to protect the dream world from disappearing. 10. The music of the wind. Myra loved music, but when she discovered an enchanted violin, she found that it played with the wind itself. But one day, the wind's song vanished. To bring it back, Myra embarked on a journey to find the lost songs of the world. 11. The Firefly King's secret. Beneath the ground, deep in glowing caverns, lived the Firefly King. His light was fading, and only a young inventor named Theo could help. To restore the Firefly Kingdom's glow, Theo had to uncover an ancient mystery buried in the roots of the world. 12. The key returns. After its long journey, the golden key reappeared in the hands of a young dreamer. The child used it to unlock a hidden door that connected all the worlds. As the door swung open, the stories merged into one final adventure before gently fading into dreams. And so, our adventure comes to a gentle close. But don't worry, the magic never truly ends. The key has passed through many hands, unlocking secrets, guiding lost travelers, and weaving dreams across the stars. From the floating island to the kingdom of talking animals, from the invisible jungle to the door of dreams, each story has left behind a little spark of wonder, one that will stay with you, even as you sleep. Maybe tonight, as you drift into dreams, you'll find yourself soaring through the cosmic gates, dancing with the moon spirits, or sailing on a starship of light. Maybe, just maybe, the key will find its way to you. But for now, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and rest. The adventure may pause for tonight, but tomorrow, new dreams await. Good night, dreamer.